this is Ralph from Ralph's Trucking. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do trucking, NASCAR, YouTube tips, live network streams to help you go and help you grow. If you haven't followed me on Facebook and Twitter, it is Ralph's Trucking. August 31st, 2019, I released a video about getting YouTube to stop blocked people from coming into our videos and thumbing us down. And somebody said in my August 31st live stream, oh, that thumbs down gives you a view. That views are so 2017 YouTube. We're in 2019 YouTube. YouTube doesn't care about views or clicks. You remember clickbait term? Clickbait is, well, they had a sexy woman in a bikini, so you could click on the video and oops, there's no one with that bikini on. That's clickbait. Now it is audience retention. The higher the retention, the better chance YouTube will push the video. Anything over 50%, YouTube will push it. Pushing it, what do you mean by that? If you go through your recommended list on YouTube, they will show videos of people you're not subscribed to, right? Okay. Yes, they did. So if you have a lot of channels you go to are farming related, they're going to show farming videos from other people you're not subscribed to, so you can subscribe to them. But they're not going to give you just any Joe Blow's videos. They're going to recommend videos with high audience retention. Like I said, they want over 50% to share it out. So this last week I've released a couple videos. One was driving around Atlanta. Fast forward 10 times speed. My audience retention on that 9-minute video is 33.8%. And then a couple days later, I did a video about the silent gift. The silent gift is you let a video go 3/4 of the way forward or more, and you start it over again and let it play again. It gives you over 100% audience retention. That video, it's got 80.6% audience retention. What video do you think they will share out to people I'm not subscribed to? Driving around Atlanta at 33.8 or the silent gift at 80.6? Of course, it's going to be the silent gift video. So, do not worry about how many views you got. Worry about audience retention. Look at your analytics. It will tell you every video's retention. You need to have over 50% audience retention for YouTube to share it out. If you notice, you upload a video, not everyone gets the notification if you have the bell on. That's why I posted on Twitter and I posted on Facebook. You need to share your videos out to more platforms than just YouTube. You want the highest audience retention rates you can get, so YouTube will share your videos out to channels you're not subscribed to. So if somebody's looking for woodworking channel videos and you happen to upload one that's got 80% retention, it's going to recommend that video. So when I say, when you hit play on anyone's video, let it go all the way. Do not mess up somebody's analytics. Worry about your analytics. Analytics in YouTube are 2019, not views. Thank you everyone for listening to me. Hopefully you learned. Please watch this in full. Thumbs it up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Share this out, because YouTube now, 2019, is audience retention. Thank you. Have a great day. Be safe this Memorial Day weekend, 2019.